Hey guys, what's up? And today I'm going to be showing you what Black Butler has taught, and that is very good. So if you guys haven't seen the series, Sebastian makes tea for CL, and one thing he always says is, and I'm making it Earl Grey today, but he always says one for the person or cup, and one for the pot. In this case, I'm just making myself a cup, have the water back there, already ready. And I got this. So, what first going to do is you're going to get one. If you guys don't know, usually one you got less steep for longer if you want stronger, but in order to make really good tea, you need to get 2 packs. Of course, I'm going to probably loosely soon, which then it'll be easier. So I got my 2 in there. And then grab the water. And then you just pour the water in. And so. And then with that, I'll just let it steep for about 3 minutes. So that's going on. You could actually put in your tea. Of course, I put honey in mine. And it helps with especially when you're unwell or your throat's hurting you. Honey is very helpful for that. And yeah, I'll get back to you when it's ready. Okay, so the tea's almost done steeping. So right before the tea is almost done, put whatever you want. Mine is just honey right here. So if you guys want honey, it actually will melt over it. So all you do is just put some over, like that. Like a nice spoonful. As you can see, it's very liquidy. And you just pour it. And then you just place the spoon in so that the honey could go fully out. Right? Now, with that going on, you can now take out the tea bags after 3 minutes. Of course, let it fully drip. And of course, if you want it stronger, you can always let it steep for longer. I just do it 3 minutes. There you go. And then just mix. There you go. You got a nice cup of tea. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I'll link all my stuff down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. And make sure you click the bell for more notifications whenever I post. Of course, it's the school year now, so my posting is not going to be super boom, 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 boom. So bear with me while I'm trying to figure out a whole posting schedule. At the same time, trying to get studies done. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And bye.